It's so hot too.
Yeah, it's hot and we're bored. Maybe we should color.
That's a bad idea. We don't have crayons or markers or pen or pencils.
Yeah, we don't have anything to color with. But what should we color with? Nature! Oh! Hello you guys and welcome back to another adventure. For people that don't know me, my name is Jelina and this is my little sister,
Antonella.
and together we are sisters, great adventures. For today's adventure we will be painting with...
Plates and nature.
Yep, we're gonna do everything nature. So here we go.
Yay!
Okay, so me and my sister have been talking and we wanted to make this fun extreme. So we're going to the park and we're gonna get all the materials that we need to make an amazing face with these two plates that we have here, because I mean it's super hot, okay? Tell them what you need.
You just need some plates and nature.
That's it. Go and find nature and make some silly faces or something creative with these little plates, okay? Okay, so we're getting on.
Ooh, right off here.
Yep. Just gonna, there we go. You get on. And we're going to the pod. Woohoo!
I believe I can fly.
Okay, we have a wrap.
Yay!
Okay, so my sister's just gonna tell you what we're gonna do today.
So the only thing you need is a plate,
Yep.
two plates,
Yep. Two plates.
and nature. Nature stuff like wood, chips, sticks, flowers, and leaves.
Yep, and we're both gonna do a girl and a boy.
Yep.
Silly faces, good faces, loud faces, scared faces,
Sad faces.
whatever you want to call it. We're
Weird
gonna do
faces.
that today, but with nature, okay? That's gonna be the only fun thing. Okay?
Yep.
Her plate. Anyways, you're going to start and find stuff for our boys and girls here, okay?
Okay, let's go. Okay, adventures, I'm gonna go find my things. So, follow me. Let's go. I think we should go all the way to the square that's at the end. So, I would get a lot of stuff and things for nature. Okay. What should I get? I don't really know.
I'm gonna get some like flowers. I'm gonna get like just a lot of stuff, and she's gonna be the best girl ever. She's going to be better than my sisters, okay? It's gonna be a little competition, but it's gonna be a secret competition, okay? So we're going off. I'm trying to see what my girl can have. I want her to be amazing, better than my sisters, okay? So maybe she can wear flowers. Oh, I got the perfect idea, okay? This might take a while. It's gonna be a surprise, okay? Meanwhile, tell me what my sister is up to.
Hello. We have to love sister we like. Show us Oh! Hi, Rangers. I'm trying to find the nose. Ow! I'm falling. Okay. Should this be a nose? What about this one? That's too big for the girl. I'll find it. I'll find it very soon. Oh, there's so many wood chips over here.
Show you how they turned out. I hope you guys like mine because we're gonna go and see it. Okay, come on, sister.
Okay. So exciting.
She hasn't seen it. Okay, so this is. I kind of got carried away with the girl and didn't plan enough for the boy, but it was okay. I made her lipstick. I crafted with some berries that I found in some bushes, and they're lipsticks. And then over here for the boy, so you can't see. Oh wait. Oh, I made some really pretty hair with these long leaves, flower just for decoration, and eyebrows, nose, and eyes. Okay, going on for the boy. The boy was sort of a challenge. This is his hair, his bushy eyebrows, 2 eyes, a nose, and his mustache. Or maybe his smiley face. Okay, so those are my 2 girls and boys. Okay, time to go on to see hearts. I bet mine's a better one. Hope so. What? Okay. First,
This is a flower. I was like so pretty, but then it had a bug, so I was like, ew. I found this. I tried to find. I was finding one to look like that, But then I got one and then it break. And then I got another one and it break. And another one and it break. So then I got this one and it didn't break. So I put it right there just like if it blinked.
Wink.
I mean winked, yeah, of course. And this one I made a mustache. And his eyes, just his ears. And button count is his mouth and his eyebrows. And his hair.
Really creative.
Yeah. So these are my faces. I hope you like them very much. I really want you to stay home, be safe, and if you make some of these, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yes, and remember, you don't only need crayons, markers, pencils, or watercolor pens. You just need creativity and maybe even look, nature provides, okay? I hope you really liked her faces and my faces too. I suppose you really liked my lipstick back there. Handmade. Okay, you guys, that's all for this week's video. I hope you loved our faces that we made. Stay home, be